In this video, we're going to be doing an exercise, great for beginners, where the hands are in classic white key pentascale positions, but we're not using all 5 tones. We're only going to be using the outer 2, the open 5th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to be moving up successive white keys like this in both hands, except rather than them being block and everything struck at once, we're going to make them both broken. So we're going to play the C's together and the G's together, and then move to the D position, then the E position, F, G, A, B, C. And when you get to this 8th repetition, I want you to repeat this hand position, but you're going to be going down the notes. And then to the B position, but down the notes. Until you're back to where you started. So here's the whole exercise. That will get you really familiar with that hand position, that structure. And it is a classic hand position and a classic sound for all pianists. So have fun with that.